Hmm. Ojuku black comedy. I think this one will actually land.
Hey, bros, I know that what kind of rubbish be this now. Eh? You see all this place like this, and I'm a hand and they tell you this place. Bros, I dey talk to you, they come up for you. You just come from nowhere, just come from meet for this place. You don't see that place to vomit. You don't want with this gas. Bros, I dey follow you, they talk. Hello, young man.
Calm down. I don't know what's wrong with the guy.
I don't catch you today. Evidence. That's why they keep us for that junction. They run away. Open your hands. I don't catch you red-handed. You will go down for that injunction. You will go down for that neighbor's dog. You will go down for this man. You are going down today.
I swear to God, no be me.
Come on, shut up now, you.
You understand? They can use that video as also an evidence to say whether the girl talk now true. So you people need to be careful and follow this case small.
Bye bye. Funny.
And you learn the hard way.
Oh my God, let's see MC Lion. I think he just got married. Newly wedded man. And something must happen. Oh more, I feel like getting married though. Ew. That marriage is
Oh, baby, we finally got married.
I swear, I don't even believe this thing.
Who would have thought?
Who would have thought?
You know, baby, let me have some rest. It's been a long time.
Jesus.
Baby, they're smoking though.
We don't marry you. Let no smoke. That's on that.
I don't tire.
What would you do, guys? Find yourself in such situation.
Babe, I'm so sorry. I did something very bad.
What's that?
I cheated on you.
For no talk. No effort.
I said I'm sorry.
Anyway, yours is even better.
How do you mean?
Because I'm getting married this Saturday.
Jesus.
And this is your invite.
Ah.
You will be the father of the day, naughty boy.
How many things person? Which kind of life be this? Something. I don't do again.
Even my one guy is very easy.
Hey, young man. This is the key to the security apartment.
Thank you, sir.
See, I want you to take this job very seriously.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir. I have no verse. I said, make I ask you whether my babes will come to see me once in a while.
Babes.
I've been mad now.
You be mumu.
Well, if that is the case, as long as it does not distract you from your job description.
No, Allah. That one, no problem. I know it's my job to play.
With are you sure? You have not finished securing the job. You are asking about women, babes. Babe, look at the baby you carried. That will kill your bed. No, the air.
What's going on here?
Good evening, sir.
Shut up! What's good about the evening? Who just left here now?
Now one of my babes, okay?
Well, you just resume work now.
At the same time, you don't come in conclusion. So I feel they bring babes come once in a while, my okay?
Is this lady not too big for you?
Now I even small for the kind of babes when I carry. Once I take my Nakademus like this from a Kima, okay? And the last 3 days, I know they tire. I be say I go introduce and give you safe.
So this is what wants to be doing in this house, right?
I like to be right.
Let's see how long you last here.
Guys, the me person last 3 days.
2. That is 3.
Good morning, sir.
Are you running a marathon in this house, ladies? Come on. Don't tell me those ladies slept in here with you.
They be my friends. They just come so me could package 3 some, okay?
In this small room?
That room you see, so I feel do 2 some, 3 some, 4 some, even 5 some sometimes. The only issue we won't get last time is it heats too much, but we use hand fan.
You know what? You stated your mission clearly here. And I no longer think my family is safe with you. So go in there, pack your things and leave this house.
Daddy, your sister is not going anywhere.
Come on, get inside here!
Daddy, if you sack me, I'll crack on load and follow him.
That's the point now.
I'm not related to you. Are you no man? Come on, get down!
Honey, your sister is not going anywhere. You cannot sack him.
It's okay. Mama. Wait. Mama. Is what I'm thinking? Are you whining yourself?
This is what you are
Serious, okay? I just family love.
Who tell you say I value our relationship
That's
more
what
than I value the man?
all the women in the house. They play.
Penny, my wife.
Someone calls you my wife.
Penny, my wife.
Who is the wife?
What's our wife? Could remind me that say I'm your wife. What kind of man? The mama said that she want to abandon me, that she want to put me in your hands.
It's Uncle Matthew you are talking to.
Uncle Matthew? I will slap Uncle Matthew. I'll give a slap. I will give a slap if you call me your wife again. Tell her the other day, say come and sit on your lap. Are you Santa Claus? Are you doing for your Christmas now? They say come and sit on your lap.
Okay, I know what I have biscuits for you.
I don't want any biscuits from your hand. I don't want any biscuit from your hand. I don't want any biscuit from your Uncle Matthew. Don't allow me to disappoint you because if I disappoint you, I say I did not correct.
Yes. Telling me because I say my wife. Bring it.
Uncle Matthew. My mom said that anybody that call me your wife is not mean any good for you. I'm a baby. When daddy, did you not come my naming ceremony yesterday? Did you not come my naming ceremony yesterday?
You're a fine girl now.
Uncle Matthew, if you come close to me again, I will give you a punch. Uncle Matthew, don't touch. If you touch me again, Uncle Matthew, I will sing for you.
Sing. Which one is sing again?
Like, my mom already teased me for this day. S is for solar presents. I will give you this thing, your solar presents. I'll give you a packet like this. I for instance, I will. Do you understand me? And I'll give you jab in your nose like this uppercut. And G, I will give you this in your brain. You think I'm joking with you? I will give you.
Then.
Yes. Wait a minute. Who asked me? Who said I'm your wife?
Oh yeah, you're not my wife. Go.
Who said you have biscuits?
Just go my place.
He did not have biscuits to give me before.
Catch children, praise the Lord.
This one will help you guys.
Bible to the book of 2 Colossians. This assistant pastor, what is our Bible verse for today exhortation from our manual? Papa, there is no time. Make una open now.
That should be second crow. Crow this thing.
No, now second crocodile. Assistant pastor, Jesus. Assistant pastor, what is the tap for phone like this?
So they tap now.
What is tap?
Tap.
Jeez, Edakun. Where everybody the next screen of phone for ministry in time of exhortation? What did they go on? Now waiting. Which one be tap?
You know they tap.
Jesus, I know they tap. I get tap for house. What do you mean by tap?
Is that for real? Like,
now money?
Are they really paying?
That is not the only what would they do for ministry? Because when they make money and none of them don't call remit tithes for here.
They never pay us now.
They never pay us. Jesus,
money they come for road.
This is a language. Give yourself, you the tap.
Mommy share that. Mommy tap. Timbati jewo mo answer that way.
Exactly. Jesus. Sister Patience, you said the tap.
You said the tap, but Gio, you supposed to tap this thing now.
I rebuke that your satanic mouth. Say Gio supposed to the tap. You call me a man of God, make her the tap. With you know I'm a man of integrity. You know I know the compromise. This demonic this thing make her come the tap.
You go like tap.
Money day inside.
Money day inside.
Yes, sir.
Can we actually cash it out?
How are they doing? No. It's like when I won't perish with this one tap. Sister, how can you download it?
You go install them for you.
But they're not like this.
You go to tap out.
No.
Wait, you go.
The only tap where I want tap is to tap into my glory and to my next level.
Yeah, this one will
Oh yeah, everybody tap into your next level. They tap for me. They tap into my next level.
Okay.
The power Jesus.
That guy. See, please go and grab. Please, if you know you don't want to faint, please cover your eyes. You laugh. Make sure that with somebody so you don't run and laugh. What is that? And this guy has been refusing to do this exercise, so they had to put two females to back in so that seeing them will give him morale to do. You don't want that. He's ignoring the exercise and trying to grab. Oh my God, this is actually insane. You see, he would not want to do it. He don't want to do it. So lazy. I think this gym instructor is very sensible. He knows his weak points. Let's see what he's going to do now. Someone that cannot do exercise though, sit up, he can't. Let's see.
Jesus! Come here, blood of Jesus, blood.
Is that how well he's doing it? So people like this, they still exist. People like just know their wisdom, and everything will be okay. Are you the one? It's easy to know if he actually has sex or not. That woman and I'll flog you for class. Motell on this one, let's see how it goes with for start.
A food way person go stay make it there outside, chop and face. I beg, make I just go carry go instead. Who there, yo?
Me, yo.
Let's have it.
Who there this cup? Who there here now? I go enter. Oh. You know, come before done. Who there here? Who be there?
Hold on, where are you going to there? Okay, I'm the one that ordered for something.
You know, go Phoebe, you, I beg. If it be your father. That's true. It could be your father. Junior. Oh, yeah, go call your father, come.
Jesus.
Go call and come tell and say, I don't come here.
My son. I ordered for something. It's not shoe you want to come and deliver. I'm the one that ordered for shoe.
I will soon beat someone's child.
You are calling who be the papa, who is the father that you kept there? You want to give me? I'm the one that ordered for a shoe.
You guys look, sir, don't stop to beat small children. Oh, there, yo, order for sure, I beg. I don't reach you. Your delivery.
I'm the one that ordered for a shoe. I ordered for the shoe.
Which kind of wahala be this one now?
Okay, give me what I ordered for.
You order for sure, Abi?
Yes.
You order for sure, Abi? Shoe? Don't worry, I know what you order for. Calm down. I could check the one where you order for truth. Because normally, waiting the order for na size 43. See here. Size 43.
This guy they give me linear cup.
But you, I know what you they wear. No argue am. Size 12. Junior. See am, because
are you alright?
What sort of an embarrassing thing?
Sorry, no vex.
More people will come here.
My bad. I do mistake. I forget how to test you. I bring your leg. Bring your leg. Juju.
That is so finishing. Oh, take it easy on him. You want to break his neck. Wow, what is all this?
Let's have it.
I'm gonna finish me. Since you are playing on my. It is virtual.
Jabilo, Sabe, come. I don't buy the Android phone.
Okay.
Help me write for my WhatsApp status. All this can come in now.
You will like the deal with the fine deal. Which other deal pass away like the deal with you?
Bad mouth. Violent people.
What type of play?
You gonna reply? If you see
what is Lagos house agent? They have taken me to almost 66 houses. I'm not doing it.
So you don't like the self-contained?
Strong wall.
Like it?
Like what? Is it the same code that you got 800,000?
850,000 minus agency.
In this small space.
This person, all this is like your head day. How old are you?
I'm 32.
Now you define space. What you want to do? Come and get fast.
My bag. Nonsense.
So is that why you want to leave?
Why will I not leave?
Lagos agent. Fear them. House agent.
Hello?
Alpha agent. Why you not tell me say I go get roommates now?
No. He's not your roommate. Now you they stay during the day. Why you go stay for night?
I don't go work. After I don't pay you money. Okay, I want to sleep for night. Who is it that just call you?
Oh, my mom. So is that why you want to leave?
How you not leave? You have shown me more toilet than you have shown me room.
So this is the toilet.
Lagos agents, they will add price as if they want to put all their family problem on the price. They will add price as if
toilet number 6.
Somebody need to stop that rubbish. They have been taking me to toilet since. Where is the room?
You want room? I don't know. This one is $6, 2 kitchen.
Where will I not sleep?
You know what? No problem. Just pay. Before Motell, we'll turn this one to room.
They're not serious, sir. So I should be living inside toilet.
What about my consultation fee?
What is it? Haven't it done enough?
You say if I show you
after
now.
How much is your consultation fee?
It's 500,000.
You?
Happy. Esprit du temps, ça. Esprit du temps. Happy. Bon, ça. Where they go? I'm going to my Betty, cancel your place. The real devil inside. They go.
Sir.
I'm going to miss you for fire.
Destiny. Johnny Froch, I think this one is actually interesting for everyone to see.
Fine.
So here's the money I promised you.
Wow. This much?
Yes,
oh, thank you so much. You're always spoiling me, even though you don't have so much money. Anytime I ask for money, you just give me the wall. See, I promise you, when my modeling gig starts to pay, I will spoil you with money.
I trust you.
God is actually.
Jesus.
Let's go.
Please, babe. Let's check inside now.
Ha! What if you open it and you not turn to yam?
You have watched too much Nollywood. What if there's plenty money? Or what if his identity is inside and then we can use it to trace him out?
Babe, let's go.
Why are you always very scared? If there's yam inside, I'll take responsibility. I'll turn to yam. It's fine.
Ha!
Yam.
I want you. I want you.
Now.
Jesus Christ.
Relax.
We are rich. Babe, we are rich.
Who is we?
Babe, our money.
Our what? If I were to turn to yam, would you follow me and turn to yam?
Babe, isn't me you're telling all these things too?
No, will you share in the yam, Marita?
Babe, remember that I give you money whenever you ask me.
It's fine. Let's not be as if somebody is wicked. Here you go.
Babe, 1,000 naira for me. Out of all these dollars that's inside this bag, see what you are giving me.
What sort of entitlement and ungratefulness is this one?
Anyway,
that's how poor people behave. I don't have your time.
Women.
Excuse me.
That's what they do for you.
They stole our money. Run after him.
Are you whining yourself? You know what? Because of your selfishness, I'm done with this relationship. Selfish man.
Better.
Okay, what about the balance of this money that you say you'll give me next week?
It's true. Then this one first. Balance, kill you there.
Babe!
If I see you close to me again.
Babe! I love you!
Rubbish.
Welcome. Thank you. Sorry, can I get a bottle of water?
Yeah, sure.
I'm not in a mood, cause my flight delayed. So
thank you.
You are welcome.
I love your type of guy.
Have you eaten?
Yeah, sure. You're such a caring guy. You're very neat.
You were not informed to.
And I have these special feelings for guys that love pets. It turns me on.
Meet Bingo.
Is this a cookie?
Forget about the name, my English dog.
Mugbe one handicap.
Hi, Bingo.
Why is the best shouting like people boy?
Which that is blood money? You never chop, now why in the verse?
Okay.
Okay, go.
Is this why you invited me here?
Oh, nah.
Even if you want to, do you have condom?
You did now.
So you have it in mind already? Okay, let's do it.
You're a bad boy.
You can't think be this.
This without light too.
But I buy food. What is so? Back out of my house.
Lalo, please calm down.
Listen, you cannot be a debtor and be a tenant.
I will pay, I promise you.
I won't be there out of this compound.
Oh my God, you carry.
Which gen is that?
I go there and embarrass with the fire. And we will match violence by violence.
If I will,
I know the Jones for this. I think people say, is it this indoors? We go shoot gun. We go shoot gun.
No,
If you enter, if you don't enter, I know say yeah, it dey game.
Hey, Salvation.
Exactly
Please let me know when they bring like okay. I want to make photocopy. I have this murder case in Ibadan that I'm handling.
Okay.
So I want to make photocopy. Thank you.
Now every time this one go to defend criminals. It's kind of...
Sorry, my sister. Please. You know how this work can be. Hey, Peller. Hey, please come have your seat, please.
I'm gonna be sit carry me. Cannot want sit down.
Okay.
My
sister. Osadion? Who is Osadion?
My boyfriend.
Okay, Richie Pablo.
Nah.
Why did you say that the boy does for a living?
Gallo, you suppose know this things. You know the country, yeah. You know they do some small Yahoo, take the whole body.
Okay, Yahoo.
Yeah.
Let me be the first to inform you that your boyfriend is not a Yahoo boy. Okay?
Sorry about what say. I trust her.
Yes.
Layi wasabi.
Your boyfriend is currently in custody for armed robbery. That's what he does.
Must you be on top?
I'm robber. Ogaloja.
Yes.
Me to see my boyfriend as Yahoo boy. I don't know.
I notice you are wearing the trademark two-piece, particular to Pabless and Pabless.
I don't cool as proof for inside cool am go get am for police station. To say, you know say if they are
lodger. You can go to station now. I believe that the authority is looking for you.
They find me.
Of course. Are you not beneficiary to his account? Anyway, the authority is looking to recover stolen funds, so submit yourself. Proper quarters.
Ogaloja, that one not your day possible because like this me I get plan.
You get plan with stolen fund?
I get plan. At least like this. Okay. So I'll your come out and they go my mass side. Nobody even know where I did for that side. I'll your see move. So that's so we go your be.
That's correct. Nobody knows where you are. Except me, though.
What do you mean by except you?
I'm just saying that me too have plans that I have to plan. Remember that you only paid for Yahoo case, you did not pay for armed robbery. Because the charge I charge for armed robbery is different too.
Okay, they threaten me.
I'm not threatening you. It's just your location I'm worried about.
What happened to my location?
To paraphrase from Mudumodu and Shali Poppy, or again, or where Shout out to all those men, man.
Layi wasabi and crazy lawyer. I don't know who they defend on now. Let's see Pluto Presido on this one with Bazi Okeke. And this one's actually going to be hilarious. Honestly, they just bought new brown car.
What's happening here?
Brown new car.
Landlord, Pluto just buy this car now. Pluto just buy this car. Can something good come out of Pluto?
Yes, now. See something good, don't come outside.
I want to see you.
Come outside.
I want to see you. You don't pay NEPA bill?
I don't pay.
Estate security?
I don't pay.
Tax force?
I don't pay.
Matrography?
I don't pay.
Why you pay for everything?
Landlord, Pluto know they like who now.
You want to share everybody?
Pluto.
Congrats.
Thank you.
My house, remember.
You! Why they go congratulate you before me for this compound?
Landlord, I know my life now.
You know read the agency agreement. Paragraph 2. You know read them? Landlord is permitted to drive car in this compound. Only the landlord. Tenant no fit buy a car before landlord. Don't worry, I will call my lawyer.
What do I do now?
I never know, but I will find a reason to call my lawyer.
I swear.
Take it on.
Bullshit, not good.
What is Kokuma doing there?
God, give my money, I come up for you.
I beg, I can't.
You just pick Kokuma from the floor and want to eat it. Don't do it. Hey!
God, no, that is one of my baby, Richard.
Richard.
You no go Richard.
Richard, you no go Richard.
My friend, stop
Take
this
it out,
photo.
Let's see this
I
one.
just stop you since you won't tell me when this glass.
This one will buy
I
you.
just stop you since you don't want to stop. You won't make a slap you. Open this door, everybody, calm down.
Don't even know who's inside the car.
Hey! Jesus! God punish me! Even I said, I want to week. Every day, problem. Oh my God.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Agree to boss. OG. Correct. This guy, you be bad guy. You as a so you be I agree to you. No be you the other guy. This guy, you correct. I just dey talk your matter now. You dey falling now. Yes, now. They find you for streets now. I don't find you. See, I like your spirit. I like the way you be like who go finish this mission. You be bad guy. You just sabi this mission. Yes, now. What that BF more talk about now? That should be that now. Ashina. Correct guy. Yellow. Now white now. It's not people. See, do the cans, man. I tell you, that time was small, so now they take go uptown, so they don't fall back.
You're not seeing anything.
Those right. All those brighter grammar, all those. You mate, you found this guy. Oh God. Correct guy. At Deliver Street. 100.
He's actually going
after
her.
One of those things. Oh, that's how you know. That's how I roll in Italian. No, I don't want to come to Scottish anymore. Just let me be where I am. You said what? Oh no! It is what it is. Oh my God! I can't keep calm. I don't know why. So.
Yo mate, yo fam. Yes.
I don't understand. We shouldn't be able away the shot from my ear. What's happening? I don't understand. Why are you spoiling my snap? What is it?
No, hell white oh.
Which one be hell white? Who is hell white? Are you okay?
I'm a local white, no, look, so me no they agree to. My guy. I want to make a test in the
I don't understand. I've gone to the 36 countries in Nigeria and you're telling me I'm a local white. Anyway, that's by the way. I love the way you look. I love your black top. What's up with you now?
Me, see my guy, say like you. Me.
I think I'm attracted to you. What's wrong with you? Let's get along. Are you a kid? I'm in love and I can't do without you, and there's nothing we can do about that. Please, we can grow together. We can grow together, please. Let's just get along. Yes, we can grow together. We can grind together now. What's wrong with you? Just free your mind.
Someone is
free your mind.
Me. They are like this. Okay.
I agree to you. Me, I don't move.
Where are you? You go nowhere. I'll get you.
Yeah, this one they go.
I'll get
Come
you.
on, carry your LY to me, no for this guy. I move all this guy. Sorry, now you are fast.
Hilarious. And for magic for showing wisdom and knowing that
Understanding person. Yes, I can see that. When I come, so you explain. I hear the whole matter. Did I hurt you? No. I respect you. That is why I love the voice. From everything you judge, I see element of truth for inside. So the fact the element of truth stay inside, you don't need to take it to the station. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let me meet other people there. God bless you. Hello, where you go? What they talk? Things are not done like that. I don't come meet you so now. You know, we try to us come now. Go back now. I'm not the like best way to do that. A man that is behaving like this, I'm not the like. I'm a well-understanding man. If we don't finish, I don't could deliver. Mr. Ajodo, open the motor. Come go write your statement.
But you already have an agreement.
No problem. Come go write your statement.
What's the problem? Why the police is always giving you stress? You came inside, we had a bottle, we spoke. Now you said you are going, I escorted you. You said grab me the escort outside.
Make I carry the motor for my head, go station. You know, so now fuel they put for the motor, take up pick you. Which guy talking the talk?
Oh, you don't pick
no
me now.
Problem.
Come to my place.
Come go right. My brother, I don't like this. I don't like this. Relax. No worry. Come go right. Let's go to the station. Guys, no. Let's enter the motor. Enter the motor. Let's go.
If I run now, the same person run. I talk to you as well.
Are you okay? Go on. Officer.
Bros, respect yourself.
Enter the this way. Enter the car. Respect yourself. Shoot your leg.
What's happen now? My station will come and wait him.
If I don't meet you for the station today, I change my name. You.
And that is actually
No video.
I don't even know who employed him. I don't just know how to manage it.
If I don't touch you, I change my name. No worry. You go be the first person when I could take my with fed to the station. On the car.
You're putting your family problem on the guy's body. Transfer aggression.
Mercy upon us.
That SK. And
they see for my comment section, I will tell me say, Phoebe turn, we are tired of your front, show nyash. Back then, when I go they say, guys, they're looking at my nyash, or I go do video turn nyash, or I go do this one wrong. No, they talk say that's so nyash they show. You people did not know the value of what you had now until you people finally lost it. Now that's how they tell me say, we want to see the nyash 360.
Please want
and
to
guys beg me, oh. You guys appease me because I don't go come back now. You have to beg. You have to beg. If not before, now you better do 360. Oh, now don't make me vex. Oh, yeah, start begging.
Now. Do it. Yeah, people. Let's see what Rukky is all up to. I think this is his house.
Yeah, good evening. Please, can I know what you went inside there to do?
Okay, I just
What thing go do there?
You went there to ease yourself?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I went there to ease myself, not too much.
Hello, excuse me. Please, can we go back inside? Because there's some people where they shit for this my site. I don't really know. Can we go back inside so they will
go back
and
inside to do what? I don't understand.
So
I said I went there to ease myself.
Okay, please, sorry. Just wait for me and let me check by myself.
It's like
no, Motell, I talk to you now.
What's your problem
I said you should wait for me and let me confirm what you went there to do.
I said I want to ease myself when you go inside now.
Wait for me now. Every time I see shit for you, anytime I call this by site.
Okay, I mean the shit am. I don't understand.
You are the one.
Lady, I said please just give me some minutes. Let me confirm myself.
Now you the shit out.
Okay, you are not serious.
Hello, young lady. You know the year where they tell you say you wait for me, so you want me this spoil for you.
What kind of embarrassment is this now?
Wait for me. Let me confirm what you wanted to do
by
myself.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Every time I'm gonna come inside, go to see shit everywhere.
Just wait for him. If truly you don't go there, go shite. She actually shite. Escape from.
Shit for the site. You shoot for the site.
I trust it. Yeah, Rukky. Actually, that girl, he will definitely, catch her. He will catch her. I know Rukky. Oh, I don't need this one. See Lexi. This one just come from nowhere. from nowhere.
man!
I go this. What be this?
What be this? Jesus
They are hiding now. How is it going? That didn't want to jam you now. What you go tell God? What you go tell God? Well, I think the end will actually make you laugh. Let's see how it's going to end though. You will see it coming. You will see it coming. Oh.
Jesus! Jesus! Hey! 70 years old, Jesus!
Hey! That slap eventually. Yes, this slap is affecting me. Voila, let's see Bala and this beautiful girl. If this thing has ever happened to you, I believe that day will be very bad for you.
Excuse me. My name is Bala. If you don't mind, may I know your name?
You're a bad guy.
Never mind. It's not necessary for now. Waitress, please come. Has she paid?
No, she hasn't.
Then why was she leaving?
I guess she wants to use the restroom or pick up her friend.
Okay, so how much is her bill?
What? 500,000.
Just 500,000. Well, 500,000 is not too much for a beautiful girl like this. So, keep track.
She's in our play.
I just sent you 1 million naira.
When you show
So
me,
she'll give you 500,000 naira for your bill, 100,000 naira for you and the rest of the waitress, and then 400,000 naira for you personally.
my blood is not flowing.
You didn't even tell me your name, no phone number, nothing. Subhanallah.
I will not allow to go, but
So when I don't get my daddy, if I dey talk, I go dey talk, daddy.
Oga, calm down, John. Say that because before we go dey run. Think say we go fear you, Baba. See, me and my brother for here. We go beat you for here, nothing go happen. Me and my brother, see, no joy. This ain't a joke. I don't test it. Now why do you like fully work out? I don't.
You are they afraid.
Oh. Say more confide this guy. Baba, two big no fear you fear. Baba, two go not you say.
So as I dey talk, I still dey talk, abi.
Oga, see this my brother, you don't get mine right from time. Baba, see, our 2 minutes, my brother for you, we go beat you. Oga, see, come on for the job.
Run. See, let me start the fear now.
Jesus.
Come on for the job.
Come on for that job. Come on for that job.
Come on for the job. I did one. You know say now you think they do that time. You make sure say you want to do like this, You gather muscle. Come on for the job. No be like that. No like this. Okay, now we see go portion. If you don't do it like this, no go fear you. You put your money. Come on for the job.
Hey, how are you guys? Wow, you guys are looking beautiful.
Who put the edgy kibiti?
How be with that guy? If you best not this guy. This one
that one their back. You like Malan Sharp.
I'm talking to you guys. Please. Hello.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
That guy beat us. I bet that guy beat us. So we go do now. To run, I'm gonna kill that guy.
Why you guys leave me?
Got that voice. Yeah, if they are forced to sing. It's not forced to sing.
Fine girl.
Oga Roland.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You dey go this way?
Hey, I won't go see person down the road there.
Vera.
You know, say, I don't dey pray for this opportunity. Thank God, I finally meet you today. I like you.
Thank you.
No be that kind of like where you go say thank you. I mean, the kind of like where they say me and you fit they do things.
But you get wife for house now, you don't marry.
You know me. You know, safe to say now you are a quick see, now you are for marry. But as I no quick see you, I can't
Man,
but now.
don't believe you.
What's going on here?
I can ask you, why you like me?
Women.
You know, no. You know, say you the way you did now, you are very hot.
I hot.
Yes, too hot.
Very hot.
Yes.
Go cook your wife now.
Jesus!
Don't cook your wife since I'm hot. Cook your wife at least. She'll be hot. She'll be hot for you, or she'll be hot for your wife.
Someone find me come house. Slim, I beg. I won't make you borrow me money. Now you find me come house. I know say in the house I go find you now. Child, and I been want go somewhere. Oh, no wahala, follow me. Slim, thank you very much. You na my G now, not be anything.
Why is this taking you?
Say my G, now here you fit borrow money, not be for my house. Or you go here, or you go the other one. Or you cross road, go this other one where that side, then plenty for this road. If you want borrow money, come here, borrow money. Not be for my house.
You get actually carried you.
That's the least I can do for you. What are friends for? Life is simple.
And the guy actually carried me to
Master, I don't go buy motor.
Is it that 2K?
Yes, I see them they push am. You no get money, make him go buy petrol.
May God not let us go use our money to go buy problem.
Big problem.
Nah, big problem.
Let's see clear on that.
What sort of dress is this? These are not carrying my commas now. Another one like wow. The girl is actually carrying some kind of big things, big things. They go like wow. Today no go easy, oh. Today will not be easy.
I'm going to hear of this.
Are you playing? Where is the big things? What kind of nyash with this? Nyash, yo. Rest now. But they said nyash is nyash now. Why is it like surprise? Big outside, small inside. Think twice, think wisely, oh. Let's see what it's going to do now. Outside. That's so congeal too much.
You know what? Let's go and see my parents. So we'll plan our wedding.
Whether you like it or not, I must not.
The full family they do juju.
Hey, wait for me, bro. What's wrong with this guy? You okay?
Mama, listen, Ewa, thank you.
That's one you don't
okay.
US job.
The first buy, sir. They tell me. No.
Baba, it's not going on.
What do you mean?
They tell me now. It's supposed to go like that.
Baba, maybe you should go to your bank and complain. Maybe network issue or something. It's not going on.
I don't understand. Is something wrong with you? I don't understand. Is it bank that use my ATM card? Yeah, you try again and give me my money. I don't understand. They tell me now. I'm sure you want to look at it. Look at it now.
No, Baba, if I start it again, they beat you and still not.
What? They debit me because I don't even have money there again. That's my last card. You done now. You need to give me cash. I don't understand. What do you mean I should go to bank? Is it bank that use my ATM card? I wonder. Or bank so let nobody say. What am I saying? That you people used to do.
Baba, I don't want to be rude. Please, can you go to
the road now? You come back home. I mean, go be road now. Because you're saying nonsense. I don't understand.
Baba, I cannot give you money now.
I'm not giving away. You want to be jogging something with me? Am I your mate? You mind the way you talk to me? What's wrong with you?
Baba, I'm not rude.
As you're looking at me, I have like 4 kids. I have 2 girls, 2 boys. I control my own. When you have money, you can come and collect it. Will you stop that? What are you? Hey. Who's your mate here?
What is the problem? Why are you guys arguing?
He's
So
seizing
can
the
you imagine this
POS.
Baba came and gave me his ATM card that I should withdraw money. I withdraw the money finish. They debited him and they no credit me and he still want me to give him.
How much is the money?
So it's 500.
Just because of 500, you guys are arguing.
POS people.
It's because of 500. I don't understand. Which one is this? Because
Some
of 500.
kind
You don't
people.
steal 500 in the market now.
Okay, anyway, let's settle this one. Let me just check if I get 500. Let me settle.
Baba, give me all the money, Jerry.
I know, you give me my 100 naira.
Go back,
So thank you, God bless you.
I'm not sitting down. Don't tell me to sit down. Don't tell me to sit down. Okay, I don't want to sit down.
So can you just calm down, please? Just sit down.
I am not calming down. Yeah.
You don't make noise in the bank.
Don't tell me don't make. Okay, I'm making
I'm not
noise. Okay,
paying
don't
the
beat me
money.
now. Am I not a customer? Customer is always right now. Huh?
So sir, I just noticed that you were deducted 500 naira, which was charged for an electronic monthly payment.
Electronic 500 naira for electronic payment.
Yes, sir.
I'm okay. Listen, you know, but if you don't return that money to my
Got into this extent. Follow him or you not see it again, no. You better follow him because he will go and sell that laptop. After selling the laptop, do you know what? He will become rich. Oh. Thank you guys for watching this comedy video, and I believe you enjoyed this one. And please don't just watch and go. I've put smile on your face. I've put smile on your face, so just have to put smile on my face too. Yeah, you have to put smile on my face by subscribing, turning on post notification bell icon, and also sharing my videos, liking it, or share it to your social media platform, all your social media platforms. You know what I mean? All right, guys, what's your favorite moment in this comedy video? Keep commenting, keep bringing those favorite moments, those most funniest scene that made you laugh, you know, on this comedy compilation video. All right, guys, as for me, I really love every scene here, though some of your favorite comedians are not on this compilation because they have not been uploading, you know. We don't upload frequently, you know. The little one we have, we're actually going to like minimize it and make sure we come out with the best result. So if you love these comedians, like I said, this content is not mine. I'm following YouTube policy in order for me to create content like this, and also the content is not mine. So I'm giving shout out to the rightful owner of these comedy videos. Like I'm also like supporting them. So the means where I can support them is just this platform, and I'll actually urge you guys to go check them out on YouTube, also on Instagram. They are on Instagram, they are on YouTube. Check them and watch their video with no commentary on it. Like this one now that you just finished watching, I had commentaries. Like you see me reacting to the comedy videos, you see me talking. You know, most of you guys don't like seeing me talking, but those my real fans actually love it. So I think I won't stop it. You know, I wouldn't have been reacting, but I'm following the rules of YouTube. You know, according to YouTube rules, when you're creating content that is not yours, you have to add value to that content. You have to add commentary, you have to add commentaries, you have to add, you know, reaction. Just add value through editing or anything. Make sure it's very, very different from the original video. That is what YouTube needs. So if you don't do that, I think you're definitely going to have problem with YouTube. So I don't want to have problem with YouTube, because if I have problem with YouTube, you will not see me on this platform anymore, because YouTube will eventually cancel me out of their platform, and you will not be laughing. You will not see anyone that will put smile on your face, and you will not see anything like crityreacts. So in order for me to keep, you know, moving on this platform, I have to follow their rules and every policy, you know, given to me. So I know a lot of you guys understand all this, and some of you guys also don't understand because you are not a content creator. You know, you keep, you know, attacking me in the comment section, attacking me, saying so many people saying that I should stop talking, I should not even talk at all, I should not even show my face, I should just be giving them comedy. I mean, how do you expect me to give you comedy that is not mine like that? I need to, you know, add my own sweat now, do something on it to make it unique, to make it different from the original content, you know. So if you are those people like attacking me, pressurizing me to stop adding commentary, please just go check these people out on their YouTube channel. You know, you can watch it without any commentaries, and stop disturbing me and pressuring me here on my own Crity reaction channel. Please, I beg you, go and watch from these people. You know, go and watch for any content, any channel you see there is no commentary there. Go and watch, and good luck. As for those of you who actually love me for the way I am, the way I do my content, thumbs up to you and shout out to you guys. One love. I respect the fact that you honor what I do and you take it like that. Thank you guys once again for doing that. And also, I think I love one comedy here in this compilation. I love it so much. Yeah, I love it very, very, very much. Especially that one Wheezy, that Wheezy own. Omo, Wheezy go look for job. You never finish the job. Like you've not even received the job. Your guy has not the boss has not even told you like, okay, I've employed you. You can now start working. You've not even received the job. You've not even gotten the job. You are asking the boss that he should please permit you to bring women, or he should please allow your girlfriend to be coming. What's all that? And you didn't even mention one girlfriend. You said, babes, Wheezy. And the oga, like the boss, was so kind enough to allow you get this job. Because if not some boss, I didn't mean it's some people. Almost you won't get that job. And you got the job, and all you could do is to start packing women, bringing women in, the one that's bigger than you, even knack oga wife, knack oga pikin. Because when oga want to chase you out, his wife is like, she was like, you are not going anywhere. And the girlfriend said, the child of the oga said, if you leave, I'm definitely going to follow you to anywhere you go. Imagine. Meaning, and the oga is not even wise. Wiz has already, advertised that stuff. Fekomi to the oga. And Fekomi is for unlimited. And most women love those things. So, and I think the girlfriend, I mean, the daughter and the wife has actually collected some from some from Wheezy. So that was why they never want Wheezy to go. He can never be sacked, not under this roof. If you sack him, we'll follow him. And the guy was like, I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Instead of you to arrest that guy immediately, a sap, you are saying something that is not good. They play, they don't wipe them. I think Wheezy is still in that job. Like he's not going anywhere. He will soon even be the oga of the house because of his skills. Alright guys, I love this comedy. Honestly, I love the comedy. That is why I had it in this compilation. Also, which one do you love? Which one? Let me see the comment coming in. Let me see comment coming in. Like I love where that guy, was seen, trying to join other mob to beat that criminal. But at the end of the day, those people even beating him were the one holding him not to beat. Because you don't beat this thief past their own imagination. So you even said they should wait, you're going to buy fuel, you're going to buy fuel. On your way coming now, things happen. People will be say you leave, they don't run. You can't jam on other people. Like this one now is the gangs, the criminal gangs members. They are there with him. You are giving them, take fire, take this, hold it for me, let me light matches. I love that resetting slap. That resetting slap. Now blast. Now blast. No. I think I love this comedy. I love this compilation. Just use it to post side, use it to, wipe away some stuff that is making you angry. No matter what in this life, no matter how you are careful, no matter how you want it or not, problem no dey finish. So the little time you have, the little time, just try to enjoy and try to, be happy. No matter what, be happy. Because if you sad though, you are happy, that thing that is bothering you will not stop. You see, that thing will not stop. Sadness does not solve any issue. So it's better for you to be on the happy side. Just be happy. At least that will help it will also build your, and help your health, to be stronger instead of you to be sad. Now you get a problem, you can't be sad join. I know it's not easy, but just try to be happy. If you dey sad join that kind of problem, my brother, go dey what, blood pressure, different thing go dey come in. So just dey happy as if you have no problem. From there you see the problem going away. Just the weight of. So now so the matter be, my brother. Alright guys, without further ado, going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation videos, and this next one you're expecting is going to be banger, and it's going to fill with your favorite comedians. Alright guys, without further ado, without any chon, We're going to see you guys on our next video. Have a wonderful time. Bye.